We've got to be quick for this one, guys. Just landed at Benagil and the boat's just about to leave now. I've just bought my ticket, €20 for a 30-minute tour. I'll spin the camera around. So there's the boat that's just arrived that we're getting on. There's probably about 8 of us on this one up to now, I think. Unless any more come on it. Okay, my friend, you okay? Cheers. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Might get our feet wet a bit here. Not to worry. Come and join us, guys. Take my shoes and socks off there very quickly as we're launching the boat. It was about 2 foot in the water. Yeah, we will do, mate. Cheers. Yeah, so basically just saying, if you're going to throw up, make sure you do it this side. So Vitor is the guide. Yeah, Vitor is the guide. He'll be showing us inside the caves. And every now and again he'll be speeding up, so he'll let us know. Here's the first one. This is not the main Benagil Cave, but it's beautiful anyway.
Okay guys, so to start off, our coast is made by a very soft rock called limestone. And that is the reason why we have so many caves, because it's a soft rock and it erodes very easily. This is our first cave. We call this cave here the Turtle Cave. Wait, because on the top of the cave it's possible to imagine like a turtle shell.
Right.
That's it, yes. Those white marks on the top, those are accumulated salt from the waves.
Yep.
In the winter, when we have big storms on the sea, the waves can reach that high.
To the top, yeah. Wow.
And the dark mark that you guys can see here on the cave, it's the maximum level of the high tide.
Right, okay.
The normal difference between tides here is 2 meters.
Is that all, yeah?
Full moon or new moon,
Yeah.
it doubles up to 4.
4, yeah, obviously, yeah. That was good information there, guys.
Medium tide and it's still coming up.
Yeah, we are mid-tide at the moment, still rising. How nice is that, guys?
The way the tides work here is 6 hours going up, 6 hours going down.
Yeah.
Every day, 2 low tides and 2 high tides.
Well, the kayakers going back to Benagil Beach.
Cave of our coast, the Benagil Cave.
We just,
And this cave here became famous because Microsoft, the Windows company, used the photo of this cave as a screensaver. Thanks to Bill Gates, we have a job now.
Wow. Absolutely. Stunning.
Okay guys, now if you want group by group, you can send a plan.
Beautiful. You used to be able to kayak right onto the beach. I think there's an accident and they've stopped that now. So the only way you can come right in is via these boats. And everyone's queuing up for the photographs. Absolutely beautiful. Your traffic. Everyone's got the phones out. You've definitely got to come this trip, guys, if you're in the area. It's absolutely beautiful. You've got to wait your turn to come out once you come in. Where next? The small caves there. And a nice little private beach. You can only access that by boat.
There is no access from the top. The first cave on the left is natural and the one on the right was human-made long time ago by local fishermen to hide themselves during the storms as a shelter.
Wow.
Because when we have storms coming from the Mediterranean, which are the most common storms we have here, the sea doesn't hit so hard there because of this big rock. So that's why they made the shelter there. Imagine a face by profile with a big nose. It looks a lot like the Portuguese Prime Minister.
That's like mine, look.
Tabita. Tabita.
Means big nose. Yeah, these guys are quite comical actually. They've got the spiel off to a T. So not only do they give you information, they keep you entertained as well.
Exactly.
Beautiful. Picking up a bit of speed now. Going right inside this one.
Pode ir atrás de mim. Anda atrás de mim.
This is the shiny cave. Shiny because when the sun is lined perfectly with the hole, it reflects on the water and then on the rocks, and then the whole cave shines.
Está fraquinho, mano. Há ninguém.
You wouldn't think it'd fit in that gap.
Não cabe aqui.
Just in case, watch your head.
Porra, você tem o Seamaster ou quê?
Yep, we are going in. Beautiful. Yeah, your heads do skim the rocks. Yep. Spin around, guys. How beautiful is that? I think this is the turning point. Wow. You wouldn't think you could spin this round in here. He's going to turn this on the sixpence. Ooh. You can hear the waves bashing the rocks. Well, he's going to turn this on the sixpence. Doesn't look like there's enough room. Here he goes. Oh, now he's going to turn it. I thought he was going to try and turn it in there, but look, not very deep there at all, is it? So he's got to navigate very, very carefully. And this here nearly smacked me head on that.
James Bond in action.
Yeah, it's good. Turned it on a sixpence, yeah?
What?
You turned it on a sixpence,
Yes.
yeah? Do you know what that means, yeah?
Yeah.
It's a little penny, yeah? It's a sixpence like a small coin, and you can turn it on a very small coin, yeah? Just giving them a bit of information about our old money, sixpence.
Okay, watch your heads again, guys.
Yeah, yeah. Very, very close by there. That was good fun anyway.
We have the Crocodile Cave. Watch out. I've heard that he likes to eat people that don't speak Portuguese.
Esse barco está bem balançado.
Está bem, fala português.
You know any Portuguese, my
Yeah,
friend? Yeah.
Oh, it's because of the shapes in the rocks there. That's what it means with the crocodiles. Don't know if we're actually going in. There's a guy paddleboarding right through there. Wow, that's amazing. Bit of a traffic jam getting in here. There we go.
Well, see it?
Oh yeah, yeah. So at the top of the caves there,
This crocodile
in the
is a
limestone,
French citizenship.
you can make out the crocodile shape.
It's Black Horse.
Hope you can see it on camera.
The first edition. And there on the right, we have the face of Mr. George Washington, President of United States. Can you all see it? George Washington over there,
Oh,
by profile, with the nose sticking out a little bit. The Portuguese Mount Blanc.
He's just said we're about to see a beautiful view around the corner. More
Here on the
caves.
left, on the wall rock with the two arches, it's possible to imagine a shape of a huge elephant drinking water. Tasha.
Yeah, that's here right in front. You can see it.
And this is the famous Marinha beach. It's considered the second most beautiful beach here in Portugal. Sorry? And guys, if you end up coming down to Marinha Beach, on the right side of the white restaurant you have a tunnel, and if you walk all the way until the end of the tunnel, it will lead you to a little beach
Oh, is that
between
the one?
those
Yeah.
two rocks
Right,
there.
okay. Yeah, I'll have to show you that one time, guys. The tunnel leads you right through the caves to the beach. So there's the elephant shape, if you can make it out on camera. I can't see a damn thing because of the sun. I know if you make it out on top, there is the walking trail. Wow, loads of kayakers in. That's the next things to do, guys. Oh, look at him on the rock there. No way. Yeah, that beach in the background there, Marinha Beach, has got a restaurant on it as well. There's some more hidden little coves. Looks stunning. Beautiful.
That's the secret beach that I was talking about before.
Beautiful. Is that the one you access through the tunnel?
Yes, the first tunnel there on the left.
Up inside another cave. With the sound of the waves hitting the rocks. Whoa.
This is the biggest desert beach that we have on this part of the coast. During the summer we have some big boat tour companies that do a 6-hour tour throughout all of our coast, and then they stop on this beach here to do a barbecue,
Yeah.
a little party with drinks.
What's the beach
Very
called?
nice. Malhada do Baraço.
Okay, that's good information.
It's only accessible by the sea.
Yeah. So you can book a boat tour
Those are there because they are
with a barbecue, and that's one of the places where they do the cooking there.
And now guys, I have bad news. This was the last point of view of our tour. Thank you very much. Muito obrigado.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Cheers,
Sangria.
Jigsaw.
Thank you.
Thanks for the information, mate.
Thank you. It was a pleasure for both of us to have
Okay.
you here on board.
Thank you. Cheers.
Now guys, just in case, watch your eggs to not fly away, okay? It's going to speed up a little bit more.
Okay.
Wait a bit.
I'll keep the camera on for a little bit because they do speed up quite a lot. So I've got to try and hold on and hold the camera as well without losing it. Well, that was a nice little tour, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did, and I've been a few times before. But I thought I'll come with the camera this time and show you guys. I've just paid 20 quid for this, you got the tour for nothing. Here we go, let's see how fast he goes. I might have to put the camera down in a minute. Well, he's giving it some now. Well, I've got to say it's good fun this, guys. Whoa! Definitely well worth a visit. Whoa. He's got to wait his turn now for us to hit the beach. There's loads of kayakers in the way. Whoa. Brace yourself, guys, for a heavy landing.
Watch out!
Wicked. You got the best part yet.
Super!
Nice one.
Thank
Cheers,
you.
guys.
Thank you so much. Now you are 98% safe. You can take off the life vest.
Okay.
And guys, if you enjoyed the job we did, press on our page in TripAdvisor. Make a little positive comment mentioning both of our names, Vitor and Rafael.
It's 5-star.
It is very important for us, okay?
I'm going to leave a link in the guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for the video.
Thank you
Good
very
to
much.
come and join your boat ride.
Appreciate
Okay, no problem.
It was a
you.
pleasure, guys. There on the middle we also have a small tip box, but of course it's not mandatory.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Well, guys, that was a fantastic trip. If you've liked this video, hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.